Here is my brand new 2025 Kohler Highline Arc on a pressure assist tank. It is using 1.6 gallons per flush on this flush mate. Let's see how it actually flushes. It still flushes like it was on a regular tank, except quicker. But I actually like the way it flushes. Now let's do some flush tests with this pressure assist tank. For the next test, let's see how it flushes on a half a tank on a pressure assist. It still flushes pretty good considering it used only a little bit of water, like less than a gallon or something. This toilet is very siphonic and I do like it. Now let's do a dry bowl test and see how it flushes. Here's a flush with a dry bowl. Seems like it did basically the same thing as it is if we're on a normal tank, except more powerful. I'm interested to see how it flushes with a blocked siphon jet, especially for a different model of a class 5, especially with the trapway opening. So let's try that. The siphon jet is blocked, so let's see how it flushes. I actually shoved the rag in the siphon jet as much as I could, but let's see what happens. Since it shot out of the siphon jet from a microfiber rag, just like the Wellworth Light Kohler Highline Class 5 from 2015, I'm gonna have to use my fingers because it has so much power that it can push some things out of the siphon jet. I'm gonna try that again, but I'm gonna have to use my fingers. Let's try that again, but I'm gonna use my fingers to keep the siphon jet blocked. Let's see how it flushes. And it actually siphoned, which is pretty cool. And this is also my second toilet that it actually siphoned out while the siphon jet is blocked. The first toilet I've done to that was a 2005 round Kohler Wellworth Ingenium, which is pretty cool. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these kinds of tests where I do pressure assist tanks on Kohler toilets, or if a toilet has the 3 bolts, please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.